Hi friends, first take Amazon Fire TV Stick Lite remote, then press and hold this menu button. Press and hold, then select mirroring. Then keep this screen open, please don't close it. Then in mobile phone, open settings, tap on the settings app icon. Then select other wireless connections, tap here. Then tap on screencast. Then turn on screencast, tap here and enable screencast. Now it's searching for nearby devices. Here you can see Fire TV stick, tap on that. Now it's connecting, please wait. Okay, done. So if you want to switch display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation on mobile phone, then just rotate the phone. So that way we can switch display to full screen. If you want to disconnect, again go to screencast, then turn off screencast. So now it's disconnecting. Okay, done. So please try it.